What if saving the planet was as simple as changing what's on your plate, what's in your garden, and what's under your sink? Stick around because in the next 3 minutes, you'll see how small organic choices in your daily life can create a massive environmental impact. Hey eco-warriors, welcome back. Today we're diving into how organic practices, yes, the ones you can do at home, are powerful tools for healing our planet, and we've got the data to prove it. Organic food choices. Let's start with what's on your plate. Choosing organic fruits, veggies, and grains means saying no to synthetic pesticides and fertilizers. Organic pulses, oils, and fruits emit significantly less carbon than conventional ones and use less energy overall. Organic farms support 30% more species biodiversity and 50% more beneficial microorganisms. That's not just good for your health, it's a win for bees, butterflies, and soil life. Composting and gardening. Now let's talk dirt. Literally, composting your food scraps and using them in your garden builds rich, carbon-sequestering soil. Organic matter acts like a sponge, improving water retention, reducing erosion, and pulling CO2 from the atmosphere. Organic legumes and fruits have the highest ability to sequester carbon of any crop. Even a small backyard garden using compost and natural pest control can become a climate hero. Cleaning and lifestyle. Organic isn't just food, it's your whole lifestyle. Switching to organic cleaning products means fewer toxins in your home and waterways. Synthetic chemicals from conventional cleaners and fertilizers contribute to dead zones in oceans like the 14,000 square kilometer one in the Gulf of Mexico. By choosing biodegradable plant-based products, you help protect aquatic life and reduce water pollution. So what can you do today? Buy organic when you can. Start composting. Grow something, anything organically. Switch to eco-friendly cleaners. Because every organic choice is a vote for cleaner air, richer soil, and a thriving planet. Here is a surprising fact. Organic farming increases earthworm abundance by 78% and biomass by 94% compared to conventional farming. That's nearly double the underground workforce regenerating our soil. Hit that like button if you're ready to go organic. Subscribe for more eco-action tips and share this video to spark change in your community. Let's regenerate the earth, one habit at a time.